Unlocking the universe's mysteries starts here with the Ohio Space Grant Consortium. We empower dreams with NASA-funded scholarships, fellowships, and K-12 programs, ensuring you have the right resources to reach for the stars.
It has prepared me to understand what the aerospace industry has to offer and then how I want to fit myself within that industry.
As a nonprofit dedicated to continuing Ohio's legendary aviation history, from the Wright brothers' pioneering beginnings to a future filled with endless exploration and discovery, we provide opportunities for students, educators, and all Ohioans to engage in NASA STEM-related research, education, and public service programs. Our goal is to foster a well-prepared future technical workforce for NASA and the nation.
Programs like this enable mentors to ignite the passions of science in their students. It allows people who might not have access to the type of materials and information to achieve great things in their lives.
Teachers and students, ignite your STEM journey with the Ohio Space Grant Consortium. Explore our scholarships, fellowships, internships, and K-12 programs today.